Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Gabby of Garbie'Signature. If you're new here or you're a new subscriber, welcome and thank you for stopping by. But before we go right into this video, kindly go click the subscribe button. It's going to be here or here. Give me a like, drop your comment, please share this video and kindly watch till the end because I'm going to be giving you lots of information about skincare in this video. As you can see, my title says skincare products. So before now, I would gladly say I was struggling with my hyperpigmentation, but now it's so much better. And one of the things that I found helpful was this Caudalie Vinoperfect. If you guys always watch my videos before I get my foundation in, you would notice that I had this darker face compared to my neck and my body. But if you see now, it's getting so much better. Although we have summer coming up and, you know, melanin and everything going on, but guys, we've got it figured out. So I just want to tell you one of the first products that helped me and that also encouraged me to start investing in my skincare routine. The first product that helped me is the Caudalie Vinoperfect, and I actually got this in, this was like in, you know, when you get stuff from Sephora, I have the opportunity to pick a free gift. So this was my free gift and it was in, I think, 20 ml. This is 50 ml. I just got this. Let me just tell you, if you have anything you want to buy from Sephora or any other shipping company, shipping is trash. I ordered this and I got it almost a month after I ordered it. So you can imagine the sadness and anger I was going through because the products I had were already finished, but I got through anyways. This is what it looks like. This is what comes from that huge box. Yeah, I know it's tiny, but what I had was smaller and it really helped my skin. It really just brought it out in a very different, beautiful way. It has a silver cover and this is the amount of things you're gonna get from this product. It's really nice. It's called the Vinoperfect Instant Brightening Moisturizer. So I use this after I use my serum and it's like perfect. One of my favorite products I'm going to be showing you next is the Honorary Buffet. I saw this on Sephora and I'm like, oh my god, I need to get this because I just wanted to get as much serums that I could get that was always all dealing with hyperpigmentation. So hyperpigmentation is when certain areas of your skin go dark and have a very uneven tone. At times it makes you insecure, at times it's just, you know, just don't feel so confident. Honorary Buffet is a multi-technology peptide serum and this is so perfect because it has lots and lots and lots of almost all of the Ordinary products ingredients. So I wanted a particular one which I really can't remember right now and they didn't have it, they were sold out, so I decided to go with this and I love it so far. It's been doing its job and it's like perfect. So even if you're not having hyperpigmentation going on, I would still advise you to always have a serum that you use as a base before you go in with a face moisturizer. Something I want us to know today is we all have this habit, especially if you're an African, especially Nigerian, because that's where I got my habit from. Your body cream shouldn't be used as your face cream. So before now, I've always used my body cream as my face cream. I particularly did not know if that's what led to my hyperpigmentation, but I realized that since I stopped using my body cream as my face cream, my face has gotten so much better. I've had less pimples or acne spots, and my hyperpigmentation has just gotten so much better. So if you're using your body cream as your face cream, stop. If you don't have skin conditions now, it's still going to come up much more later. I would advise you to get a face cream, like get a cream that is specifically for your face and neck. It just makes your whole skin routine much better, okay? So when I wrapped out the Honorary Buffet, this is what it looks like. It comes in this cute little bottle and it is 60 ml. For 60 ml, this is a very good sizable size, and this, I think I got it below $10. So I have the receipt here, but the price unfortunately isn't written here, but I think I got it below $10. It's a good buy. I got mine on Sephora. go to Sephora to get yours. But the thing about Sephora right now is, because of the delay in shipping, I chose 3 to 5 days. I got it in 3 to almost a month, 3 weeks to almost a month, and that was really frustrating for me. I kept checking, I kept tracking, and it felt like it was lost. I almost reported it as not delivered, but it finally came in the mail. So that's why we have this video going on today. The next product I'll be reviewing is the Ordinary in Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. Guys, this product, I've used it every single day since I got it. Even if you see the bottle is like almost gone. Can you see? If you see the bottle, it's almost gone. Like, I've been using it every day. I probably don't have a night routine because we don't want to talk about that in this video, but I always make sure that I use this before I use my moisturizer, which is the Vinoperfect from Caudalie. And guys, is worth every penny spent. This also is below $10, so it's, you know, really affordable compared to other brands. And I have noticed that for the past few days that I've used it, it firms up my skin. It gives me hyaluronic acid, which I really need because of my hyperpigmentation. It helps to even out your skin tone. When you're going for face and body cream, try and look for hyaluronic acid. It's a very beautiful ingredient that just helps give a flawless skin tone. So the next product I'll be showing you is the Olehenriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. Guys, you need to get on this. Get on this. This is a bit on the high end. I think it was about over $50, but it's worth every penny spent. I decided to splurge on my skincare and it's worth it. So far so good. I've enjoyed everything I got. This firms, it hydrates, it instantly illuminates your skin. The smell is a bit banana-ish. You might get bothered if you don't like odors, but this is not so bad. It's not a choking kind of smell, and it just leaves your skin feeling smooth and bright. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's just a very nice serum. But if you can't get this, very good alternate is the Buffet Ordinary, the Honorary Buffet, and the Ordinary Niacinamide plus Zinc. Those are very good substitutes that you can also use. Another all that I got was from TJ Maxx, and it's the Azure Hyaluronic and Retinol Facial Serum. Guys, I don't know how many times I'm going to say guys in this video. Please count it because it feels like I've oversaid it. But when I go on a ranting spray like this, just know that everything I'm saying to you guys is legit. Everything I'm saying to you, just immediately save your coins and go get it. It's worth it. If you're having face issues going on, number one thing you have to know, if you're having like acne, boils, all sort of things going on your face, when last did you change your bed sheet? How frequently do you change your pillowcase? Do you use a silk pillowcase? Do you wash your face after makeup? Do you try to clean up your face and have a facial toner? All those things are questions you need to ask yourself as to why you're having breakouts on your skin. This Hyaluronic Retinol Anti-Aging Facial Serum is another trick I have to put you guys on. You know that I always bring the tea on this channel. You really have to get your hands on it. I got it from TJ Maxx. You can get it from any other place. I have no idea, and it was at a good buy. It was value for money. Then the last thing I'm going to be reviewing today is this amazing bottle of gorgeousness. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheen Body Mist in SPF 100. Like SPF 100, SPF 100. No, I haven't had that in a long while. This is like my go-to whenever I'm like rushing out of the house in the morning, after my shower, before my shower, anytime you know you're going to be in the sun. Lately, I've started going for exercises and long walks, so this has just been a savior. I got this from Target, and it was I think it was below $10. It was a good buy. I saw it in CVS. It was like almost $14. I'm like, no, let me go back to Target. Luckily, I got the last two. I'm sorry, but I had to, you know, save some because I'm not sure when I'm going to get this next. So the way it works is just twist it twice and just hold it. Can you see what is going on? This is the way it comes out. It feels like you have too much oil going on, but trust me, it settles in your skin almost immediately. The fragrance that comes with it is not so bad. The perfume is like a smell that you can manage. It's not, you know, so overpowering. Comes to the end of my review of skincare products that you should get your hands on, and they are totally worth every penny spent. They aren't so, you know, over budget, but they're quite affordable. If you like this video or you want me to talk about more beauty products or more skincare products, if you're a new subscriber here and you watch this moment and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you love the content I just gave you. Follow me on all my social media platforms, which is at Garbie'Signature. And guys, till next time, bye.